Good evening, everyone. Please just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. We are starting off with a new marathon sessions on our Botany Insider platform. So just confirm whether the audio and video is clear. Let's wait for everyone to join and then we'll begin with our session. Okay. Good evening to all the students joining in. Okay, so let's begin with our class now, right? So today is the first class in our general aptitude session. For this complete week, we'll be discussing general aptitude question on our marathon timing. That is every day, Monday to till Saturday, we'll be having these general aptitude sessions because the exam is near. So we'll have more dedicated marathon classes for you all so that you can revise, so that you can practice out more. Okay, good evening, Komal. So let's begin with our class now. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We have hit 10k subscribers 2 days back. Thank you so much for all the support. So in addition, we also have our own application, so you can download the application from both the Android and the iOS. In addition, we also have our own website as well. Yes, we have launched our website yesterday. You can go to our website either by just writing down botanyinsider.com on Google. You'll be able to get it. In addition, there's a link in the description box. Check our website. There's a lot of content available for you with reading materials and additional things. So these are the main 4 things that would help you out in the upcoming examination. First one is the crash course. This crash course would help you revise in very structured manner. Then we have the mock test. Mock test would help you practice out because we have approximate 60 to 70 days in total. So you need to revise very nicely. So we have 40 plus CBT format mock test available to you. You can enroll in the mock test. Then there's one more course which is trending in the students, that is our complete guide course. So every single thing is there in this particular course. It's a recorded one, and in this particular course you'll be getting all the theory segments, general aptitude segment, PYQ, notes, tests, everything in one course. So if you wish, you can go for this complete guide as well. In addition, we also have the PYQ pointers available for you, right? We have other things as well. You can go through our complete content availability on our application. Okay, so let's begin with our class now. Very first question for you all. So I have taken up December 2019 question on Saturday, 2019. On Saturday. So we are continuing the same format. Okay, the first question is, some aliens observe that rosters call before the sunrise every single day, having no other information about the rosters and the sunrises. Which of the following inference would not be valid? You need to find out of the 4 informations given to you, which of them will not be valid. So this is an analysis based question. Try to find the answer for this particular question. It's a simple one. If you read it properly, you'll get the answer very easily. Okay, so take your time, get the answer, then we'll try to solve it out together. Good evening, Deepa. If you read the question carefully, you'll be able to mark the answer. You just need to be very much sure about sure in sense of like you need to be very much analytical in whatever is being asked. Okay, so give it a try and then mark the answers in the chat section. Five students now in the class. Try to find the answer for this and make sure you're there in the live session every day. Every day you'll be getting 5 to 6 questions over here. We'll be solving the questions. We'll get the complete idea regarding the questions, like because exam is near, so part A cannot be neglected now, and we'll be solving out the questions on daily basis. Okay. And for theory segment, you can enroll in the crash course which is going on. It would help you out. Okay, let's give it a try now. Niharika is marking the answer as C. Others also mark the answer for this particular question. At least give it a try. You might get it incorrect. It's absolutely fine. But solving out a question is important. Okay. So Niharika, C. Others also, Komal, Deepa, mark the answer. Sonam is marking the answer as option number A. Okay. Others also mark the answers. Okay, let's give it a try now. So look at the question. The question is saying that there are some aliens and they have observed that rosters call before the sunrise every day. Okay, it is saying that having no other information, we do not have any other information regarding this, just one thing, that rosters are calling before the sunrise. We need to find out which of the inference will not be valid. So if you look into the 4 options, now one thing you have to remember, in the question where analytical things are being asked, you cannot mark the answer which is having absolute terms in it. Absolute terms in sense of, you cannot mark it like that this thing is absolutely not possible, because we have a very vague information in front of us. So we need to mark the answer in keeping in mind or keeping open all the possibilities. Okay, so if you look into 4 of the options, in the first option it is saying maybe possible, second also, third also. So maybe option is for sure one of the inference that could be valid, but we cannot like absolutely say that one thing cannot happen, because we do not have any accurate information about it. So first one is rosters call and sunrise may be independent cycle. This is absolutely fine, because this could be a possibility that they have observed rosters are calling before sunrise. Maybe there is no correlation between the two, so this could be an inference. Second, both may be triggered by a common cause. This could also be a possibility. Then rosters may be causing the sunrise. This is again a possibility which could be inferred. Last one is sunrise cannot be the cause of roster call, as roster call precedes sunrise. This is something very absolute in nature. This is something absolute information is being given over here. But if we are given any particular scenario with no extra information, we cannot predict any specified or any direct information. Okay, so answer for this particular question is option number D. So I hope this question is clear. We have 6 students in the class, So none of you got the answer correct, absolutely fine, but understanding the concept behind the question is important. Okay, is it clear to everyone? If yes, then we'll move forward to the next question. Right, let's move forward to the next question now. Now this is the second question in front of you, again December 2019 question. The question is saying that in a given circle, this is a circle given to you, O is the center, so this is the center of the circle. Angle A, PAO, that is PAO, this complete angle is 40 degrees. Then PBQ, this angle is 30 degrees, and you are given that the outer angle AOB is 220 degrees. Okay, you need to find out that AQB is what. You need to find what is this particular angle all about. Okay, you need to find the angle AQB. So give it a try to this particular question, and then I'll explain a concept behind this, and then we'll solve it out. Okay. A, okay, everyone mark the answer. Very good, Savita. Done. Okay, some of you are marking the answer as B, some as A. Give it a try, everyone, then we'll solve it out together. Deepa, Niharika, Sonam, everyone mark the answer. Komal, mark the answers. So some of you are marking the answer as A, some as B. Everyone try to find the answer. Sonam is marking the answer A. Okay. Okay, so let's give it a try. Now the question is asking, we need to find AQB. That means we need to find this particular angle. Okay. Now if you know the property which should be applied over here, you need not, like, you can understand that these two things given to us are of no use. You need not to put in your mind into these things. Only information that we require is this particular angle. Okay, and over here we have a property. You are given the outer angle as 220. So if you have the outer angle, you can get the calculation of the inner angle over here. And finding out the inner angle, what do you have to do? The complete angle of any particular point is 360, right? And if you're given angle, one of the side as 220, so the other angle would be what? It would be 360 minus 220, which is equal to 140, right? So this angle is 140. Now there's a property over here, that is the angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circumference. This is the only property that you have to remember. Property is the angle which is on the center, circle's center, by the arc is equal to twice the angle subtended by the arc on the circumference. Okay, so if you are given this thing, you found out the questions according to the question information, that this is your 140 angle. So for getting the answer over here, 140 divided by 2, that is 70. Answer is option number A. So Savita and Sonam got the answer correct. Others, just check. NK Gaming got the answer incorrect. And those of you who did not mark the answer, please just see whether your concept was clear or not about this particular thing. If yes, we'll move forward to the next question. Okay, just check whether it's clear or not. Yes, clear everyone. Let's move forward now. Right, now this is the second question. Now we have the next question in front of you. This is the third question, and the question is that a canal system is shown in the figure. This is the system shown in the figure. Water flows from A to B through two channels, via G1 or via G2. So from G1 there is probability of 10%, and via G2 there is probability of 20%. Okay, you need to find out the probability of water flowing from A to B. Is there a problem? No, the connection is perfect. Yeah, so you need to find out that what is the probability if both the sides are opened simultaneously, 10% and 20%. Get the answer for this particular question, everyone. Try to find the answer for this particular question. C, okay. Others also mark the answer. Okay, so let's check. The answer for this question is yes, option number C. So it is saying that when the gate 1 opens, there is possibility of water flowing is 10%, and on the other hand it is 20%. Now it is saying that what will happen if 10 and 20 are open, like both of the gates are opened simultaneously. See, it would be for sure more than 10 and for sure more than 20. So A and B cannot be the answer. Then you have option number D as 30. It cannot be exact 30 because there are chances of spillage as well. So answer over here is option number C, right? It is 28%. So remember about this. Answer for this particular question is 28%. Okay, so these were the questions for today. I hope the questions are clear to you, right? In addition, we have our own website, we have our own application. Download the application, visit the website. Any problem, any doubt, you can let us know in the comment sections. We'll try to help you out together. Okay, so this was about it. Thank you. Good luck for the upcoming examination. Enroll in the crash course. We have mock test, we have PYQ pointers, complete guide present for you. You can enroll in whatever is suitable for you. Thank you for joining. Bye everyone. Let's meet tomorrow.